Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to sign a PDF online. So basically guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you the tinywolf.com website that gives you a bunch of options for your PDF files or anything that has related to your files in PC. Let's go first to open it, which is tinywolf.com. Here it is. And as you can see, this is the free tools to mask everything, to make everything simple. So here it is, as you can see, this PDF tools, video tools, image tools, converter tools, other tools, and AI writes. So if we went over here to PDF, you will find that there is multiple options like edit PDF, PDF to Word, GPG to PDF, merge PDF, create PDF, etc., compress PDF, Word to PDF, split, remove, and e-sign, protect, rearrange, extract text, and so go on. Now, for us to actually sign a PDF online, we can just click in here, e-sign, and then we can go here and upload any PDF file. So let me just get a PDF file. So I'm going to go to Google, Google search, advanced search, and here what I'm going to do is click in here, and then I will just search for example, CV or letter. And let me just letter. Okay, here we go. And here I will make it something like search type file, and I will get like for example PDF file, search. And here we go. I'm going to actually, for example, let's see if we can download something really small. So for example, let's go to images, and from here we will get some letters. So for example, this one, let's open it. And basically what I'm going to do, this is not it. I really want a letter. Can you guys give me a letter? Right, so maybe this one. So okay, this one works. So I'm going to save it, then go to eSign, upload from PC, then search for downloads, letter, and here we go. So now all you need to do is actually go all the way down and click on, for example, sign, and here you can do whatever you want, like whatever thing or your signature is. So for example, something like that. I don't know what you can do, but yeah, you can see what the concept is, and you can add it, for example, over here, and it will be added. Click on OK. I'm not a robot, and then they will give you the results, and all you need to do is download it. So yeah guys, that's how you can sign a PDF file online. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.